cheap side. Yegendedodo. Yes, I understand. In your beer no was sika but to my afford high quality stuff. But let's understand the fact that we have traditional brands, be the latest from ash foamer. They have been in checks over the years. Sabi, yada spring and padum pana yan wana miya yadam. Obi sabi dog ya wadana bow or ya Chinese mattress dunti. Osanu foma no kotodwe owoso dama because empana ya zan.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
The name is DJ Park Original. Missy Abbey our Ghana ended the Wobose because the false accusations now was a word on here too much. Yimpa the singing be about Sorana Panana when I'm your body pains or attributes that to Sebi innocent Abbey Funanyana our Ghana Sana polystyrene and a wazaya mattress na wadado. Nanyim Damazia in fancy for a friend kutusi. A quarter today TV in a fridges na zibia. Damo Roberts na was a shashamuna or cushion dame appliances in one saying. Onana oye China full lefia who feed a sebi. When we answer a warmer punchy good morning and was a mattress. Neko factories in as a way in there was only Shemana was the foam light one see sebi, you know, was a shoulder pad and I in way. Was the Afro-Fana Winty being why in yellow foam below on bet mind you on your foam or your polystyrene being a cheddar was I empada wandado. But these things are meant to be used for takeaway na other disposable products na. Now you see the environmental issue it comes with this thing in there. Onye easy there the me obo pro. Inti sobe too much in our system na. No Google ye got taste in my volume on pro already we are battling with Roberts Nazi. Now let's look at this. A lot of times productivity has gone down because a man for suffering a lot of body aches. Not knowing there, damn China free our bay our work man in the washer factories in a way fake mattress. To the extent today, Osikenyin le win kodjon cancer mpa akotobi. And a mansa ofiankafer. They have no choice. But you see, let's also not blame these things, baby, on China funde. Inhara yen kofi wape aze alefoli. And debiama sama mekende eto alefola boring sama. And sama simply means maggot. Cheap side, yegendedodo. Yes, I understand. In your beer no was sika but to my afford high quality stuff. But let's understand the fact that we have traditional brands, be the latest from ash foamer. They have been in checks over the years. Sabi yada spring and padum pana yan wana miya yadam. Obi sabi dog ya wadana bow or ya Chinese mattress dunti. Osanu foma no kotodwe owoso dama because empana ya zan. Empan oya zan. And so I am very excited the Ghana Standard Authority wa boy we wana woye damazi. E rabri am ko China mo. We load the car cra what the female ho. And I'm asking Ghana police the one who can be a well load or your mattress be a one chairman. No one to travel one shade or your kutu see being a was I a mattress a man called for that dona. These people are killing us in the expense of sikape. And you see, question I'm for you be such materials now what's the damage me. One fun for women was a born I'm a port. Into ports and Ankasan they've been spotted as in radar professionals. Katashi Sena, Kronubin, Katsankitibio, Kowaninti, why my nyama pion fatter than call by your system in the moon, why fly the hat, Bosha Besiaban or so plates. And now, box or shower no quatawa draw out to one wash out one share. What you two was out to one day in Bessiafu use the Mia Maya, almost when you try Cassina quatazan. We've been seeing all these things on our street. And Amy Park Omijina, the Ghana Standard Authority, won't approve the margin to Sabi Minya Marchina Monkoto. Mammy Quatzin Drinam and Fem Bonum and Kobe. And these are some of the reasons our health in this country keep declining. And the Bosch spine hospitals, our honey baby. These Chinese people think they are smart, but they are killing us. We should not give them that space to do these fucking things. And I like what the authorities are doing. But you see, peda one na kululu bine weja wana wasan wa beshe damu kofi wonyu suban. Chinese free wonyu suban. Inti because how on earth would you modify branded kutu see the nyimpanda do? Ebe, what's me as an anyaman can one thing take away? And you see the environmental issues that comes with it in it. We are struggling for us to dispose it because on pro obey a ball like that. No say a problem. No was a and 419. Ekwa China Mola in the carpenter fusa wagan and wunzino quart. In Yadamanka in the ye bibia wo kroma and Sunday obi petepu kitskiti bimpo bako China mo wa kotobi. Bakwana in tabo sawdust na wazaye 2 days 3 days in impruka. Itum quarter glass wo oye Chinese free war ho so ufiana waji boom. These are the things that we are looking at for the standard board from one way when one check. Na dama nyeme American one year wo ntum mfaade bodam for bi enkoto no wo. So I like what is going on, and as a Ghanaians, and we should be whistleblowers. Yeah, we nyame bi orokodo nya yenka. Na mo Ghana funa we ye dream of factory one some. What kind was so or the unemployment, but unemployment in the nyimpa dodo no bo win. Which one is better? We would find legitimate jobs for our people to do. Nayenjai there say what the poison abana wa package me in the name of employment na yet things doesn't work that way. These are all fucking things, and we need to grow out of these things. Ebusia for mano esi I mean you dey video CB, but comment section when I was such a wardren, we are all building a nation. Yaripsi oman papa to the Ghana. And so oyemi na we na adventure no obama why ye ya roba shebia renyim emi me ya raw guy ashama roba me shobi. This is common sense that these Chinese people, they are killing us. Nipa bosoy na no hunami nara oya ne yaw. Sana or the kutu sedo. This is real fucking things.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?